video. They're pretty epic, wasn't it? Was that fun?
Yeah, the most favorite part of that was the music, like when I dropped it, like.
All the flour went everywhere, didn't it?
Yeah.
Man, it sounded awesome.
Yeah.
What was your favourite part of making the nuggets?
When you were scooping the nuggets out.
Scooping the nuggets out? Really? That was your favourite part?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
My favourite part was eating them. That was my favourite part.
That was my second favorite.
Not like McDonald's chicken nuggets, are they?
No, they're just homemade.
Homemade. Do they taste better?
Yes.
Alright, I think that's all we have time for today, hey? For this episode.
Yeah.
See you in the next video.
Bye.